Can I have that page? As it is an international language testing system powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Japneet and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110036. Shall we start? 138. I'm sorry. Okay, shall we start? What is your name?
My name is Jashanpreet Kaur.
How may I call you?
You may address me by my first name, that is Jashan.
Okay. What are you studying?
Well, ma'am, recently I have cleared my 12th and industrially I got 86% and now I'm preparing for IELTS.
Okay. What's your majors?
Sorry, ma'am.
What's your majors in studying?
Okay, well, I studied accounts, business and economics, and my favorite subject is accounts because I really love to solve the numericals and to do the entries.
Why did you choose that subject?
Well, I choose that subject because I want to go that field. I just want that kind of job which is related to the bank. So that's why I choose the account and commerce field. And as I told you, I really love the subjects accounts and economics because I really love to do the numericals and to make the entries.
What are the advantages of studying instead of working?
Well, if a person is studying, so I think if person is studying, he will be more educated until he get the work. And of course, when a person is studying, he get huge knowledge from the study.
Okay, shall we move on? Do you like cakes?
Yes, of course, ma'am. I really love cakes and I have a sweet tooth. Mostly, I just prefer to eat the cakes which was made by my mother.
Have you ever baked a cake?
Yes, of course, ma'am. In my 10th standard, during my summer vacations, I tried a cake first time and it was a chocolate cake and it was really good in taste.
Do you like having desserts?
Well, yes, of course, ma'am. I really love the desserts. As I told you, I have a sweet tooth, and whenever I just went some restaurants, I always prefer to eat some sweet desserts.
Okay. Are cakes popular in your country?
Of course, ma'am, cakes are popular in my country because cakes mostly are used at some special occasions, like if there is a birthday party of anyone, and mostly at the marriages and anniversaries, cake can be used.
What desserts are popular in your country?
Well, ma'am, if I talk about my culture, like I'm from Punjabi family, and in my culture, jalebi is very famous, and each Punjabi will love this sweet dessert.
Okay, so here is your cue card topic. Describe a time when you did not tell the truth to a friend. You would say when it was, where it happened, why you did not tell the truth, and explain how you felt about it. You will use 1 minute for it. Here is your cue.
Well, it is very important to tell the truth because if person is lying someone, he has to speak lie 100 times. And today I would like to talk about the situation, the time when I don't tell the truth to my friends. So it was about my summer vacations when I was in 10th standard. During my summer vacations, I was free and I had nothing to do at that time. So in that summer vacations, my friend went for Shimla and she went for a long trip, and I just borrowed her laptop because I didn't have laptop, and I just borrowed her laptop for watching the movies and to enjoying there and playing games. And after that, when I borrowed her laptop, I just saw a movie at Sunday with my brother, and we were enjoying a lot there, and I saw a lot of movies and playing different kind of games. But at that time, me and my brother taking a our meal while we are watching the movies. The cold drink was the laptop was spoiled by my brother because the cold drink was the cold drink was that laptop was spoiled by my brother, and I was so sorry for that. And when my friend comes from the vacations, and then I just told her truth that it was spoiled my brother and me, and I'm so sorry. And I just gave that laptop for the repair to the repair shop, and I just got the laptop after 2 weeks, and then I just gave my friend, and she told me it's okay. Now you repair this laptop, it will be okay for me.
Okay, shall we move on? In what situations is it okay to lie?
Well, there are many situations where lie is okay if there is a if person is going somewhere and behind that there is anything is happening. So in that kind of situation, a person can lie.
Why do some people feel comfortable telling strangers the truth than their friends?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why do some people feel comfortable telling strangers the truth but not their friends?
Because ma'am, they are feeling comfortable to tell the truth to the strangers because they don't know how they are, what kind of behavior that of them, but they know about their friends. So that's why sometimes they do not able to speak the truth in front of their friends because they know about their behavior and about their thinking.
Do politicians have to lie?
Yes, of course, politicians, lie many things. Like if I talk about last year politician Harsimrat Kaur, which was very famous in Punjab, she told that she would make the proper arrangement of roads, but she did not did it. Still, our road was so damaged because there are pits on the roads, and in rainy season these pits were filled with water, which affect on our people because on stagnant water mosquitoes were breeding. It was not good for health.
Should politicians who have been caught lying be punished?
Pardon, please.
Should politicians who have been caught lying be punished?
Well, of course, that's my point of view. If any politician is lying to the someone, like if they lying something about to the public, so of course they were punished because public has a lot of expectations from that person, and if they don't do that, if they don't if they don't did that, if they don't do that, if they don't do their work properly, so it will.
Is lying common in your country?
Well, of course, lying is very common in my country. Well, each and every individual lying sometimes in their life. If I talk about myself, I sometimes lie to my mother. If I talk about the mock test, which was last Saturday, and I just told her that it was good, but in actually it was not good in reading because I just faced some problems in reading module.
Do you think people need to tell the truth all the time?
Well, as my point of view, it is good to tell the truth because when a person tells the truth, he did not have need to speak the lie 100 times. He can just view her, he can just set her view in one's time. So I think it will be good for them.
What should parents do when their children lies?
I think parents. As I gave you the example in the previous question, I just told my parents. I think parents should spend their more time with their children so they can easily trust them, and I think so.
Okay, your speaking is completed. Thank you.